Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this chat. In this video, I'm going to express my personal views on Tata Group of stocks. So, in my finding, there are 18 stocks available, 18 group of companies available in under the roof of Tata. In these 18 stocks, we shall pick up certain stocks for certain kind of trading, certain stocks for certain kind of investments. So with here I have a snapshot for you. So with reference to these 18 companies, I prefer Tata Motors and Tata Steel and Voltas and Titan for intraday trading in equity as well as F&O, particularly in option segment. And whereas Tata Motor and Tata Steels, these two stocks will perform in a two-way movement. I mean to say that if you are particular about stop loss in your trading, definitely this Tata Motors and Tata Steel will trigger your stop loss. So it has such a kind of volatility in intraday trading. So be careful, understand the levels and stick on the levels, then trade with the Tata Motors and Tata Steels. And with respect to Voltas and Titan, these Voltas and Titans will not perform extremely well in all the days. But whereas in few days in a monthly series in F&O, particularly in F&O, this Voltas and Titan will give a superb profit, but only it will give one or 2 days in a month only. And other stocks like Tata Metallics and Tata Chemicals, these are partly for investment, partly for trading, particularly in equity segment. In F&O, don't go beyond Tata Chemicals. And other stocks in IT segment, the two stocks TCS and Tata Elxsi, both TCS and Tata Elxsi is not performing really well in as far as the trading is concerned, the intraday trading is concerned and speculative trading is concerned. Even the stocks like Infosys, HCL, Tech Mahindra and Wipro moving forward for the past 2 or 3 days, this TCS is quietly calm and this TCS is waiting for a massive breakout. So watch the level of TCS, then you can go along with the TCS. With respect to this June month Fundo series, I don't think TCS will give a fabulous trading opportunity unless otherwise the IT sector has a great boom. And with respect to other stock like the Tata Coffee and Indian hotels. Tata Coffee is a stock for investment in equity segment. Indian hotel is a very good stock. You can concentrate Indian stocks for long-term wealth making because during this COVID-19 related lockdown, this Indian hotels is not up to the mark. It's not performing up to the mark. But only after this crisis are over, this lockdown crisis are over, these Indian hotels will perform really well, and in few years the Indian hotels will give a great return. And with respect to the metal segment, I said Tata Steel and Tata Metallics, and there are other stocks like Tata Steel Long. Tata Steel Long is also a very good stock, but whereas Tata Steel is meant for trading, but whereas Tata Steel Long is meant for investment only. And another metal stock is Tata Steel BSL, that erstwhile BSL Limited. So this Tata Steel BSL is very much it's available. It's very much affordable price. You can consider Tata Steel BSL for medium term wealth making. And other stock is silent stock is Nelco. Nelco is not making any sense at all in trading. And another stock is Tata Investment. Tata Investment is also a very good stock for investment as well as short-term trading. And in my finding, I'm considering this Trident. Trident is TRENT. Trident is a very good stock. Though it is a very good stock during the lockdown period, it's not the sales is not performing well because it's a chain store of apparels. But I'm damn sure I have an intuition that I have my own research as well as I have my own intuition that the trend is trading at 842 rupees on the day I'm recording this video. But damn sure this trend will make target, I'm sorry, that trend will reach a target at 1684. I mean to say that that's the investment will be doubled in soon, only after this lockdown and related issues are over. So collecting all these 18 17 plus 1 18 stocks, some of the stocks may be considered for intraday trading, some of the stocks may be considered for speculative trading, some of the stocks may be considered for investment in equity as well as passive trading, and few of the stocks will be considered for long-term wealth making. But this one particular video is not enough to explain all these individual stocks, because the size is big. The 18 number of stocks are under the group of Tata. But if you are interested, I'll post subsequent update videos on Tata group of stocks. I'll take one particular stock, I'll explain the story behind and the levels behind. Then you can use these stocks for your own reading, for academic learning purpose. So apart from this video, I would like to stress few points. I forgot to mention Tata Power today. On the day I'm recording the video, we made a fabulous greatest profit in option trading in Superfans trading tips platform. See, we gave on 7th, I think we gave trading tips in Tata Power in particular call option at a price of just 80 paise. But today the Tata Power, that 80 paise has grown into 7 rupees and 35 paise, such a massive growth. So you multiply with the lot size, the profit for one lot is around 40,000 rupees, 40k. If a subscriber traded with 10 lots, you would have made 4 lakhs rupees within a span of 3 days. So at the end of the video, I put some slides about Superfans. Now coming to the Superfans is a trading tips pattern which operates through private broadcast group in WhatsApp. In Superfans, we used to give penny level option trading tips. Penny level option trading tips is nothing but the option premiums ranging from 10 paise, 20 paise, 30, 40 paise up to 90 paise. Such a small option trading tips will be given with the entry as well as target. And along with this, we also give low priced option trading tips with the entry and target. Low priced option trading tips means it's nothing but to take one lot of option call, either call or put, the minimum working capital of 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or 1500 rupees is enough. Such a kind of low priced option trading tips will also be given. Along with this, we also give occasionally penny stocks in equity for long term wealth making. So penny stock in equity for long term wealth making, nothing but there are few equity stocks which are known as penny stocks, which are available in the price ranging from 5 paise to 20 rupees. So we give such kind of recommendation for equity long term wealth making. Just buy the stocks and stay invested for few years and make a great fortune for you and your wards. So disclaimer is applied. The subscription for joining Bull Street Superfan is 7,999 per month, 7,999 per month. You can remit the subscription either by GPay, Google Pay, or Paytm or Phone Pay to the WhatsApp number. I give the WhatsApp number in the description box. So it's better join the Superfan. Superfan is a way to make a baby steps. Then you can go to next and next and next level. So so this is about Superfans. And if you are interested, I'll put more update videos on Tata group of stocks. Thank you very much. I'm Vijay.